Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're at Bass Pro Shops right here in Orlando off International Drive. Come on in, check it out. Yes, I've brought Roberta on a beautiful date here to Bass Pro Shops today. But guys, I figured, hey, you know what? I've never been here before and I want to check it out. And I want to bring a vlog to you guys because it's Bass Pro Shops and it's supposed to be really cool. Like I said, I've never been inside. Let's go ahead inside. I can already see. That scared me for a second. There's like a fake alligator in there. When I looked quick, it looked kind of real. So it scared me, of course. Here we go. There's no water in here. I would imagine, yeah, it looks like there should be some water in here. But let's go ahead, head inside, and let's see what we have. All right, guys, let's enter in Bass Pro Shops together. Oh, wow. Oh, it's cool. Right when you walk in, I already like, just look. Roberta's like, this is cool. She even likes it. Look at this, whoa. Oh, I love it in here. This is like beautiful in here, man. This is really nice. I can't believe I've never been in here as much as I am definitely a person that loves fishing. I love the outdoors. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to go in here and show everything. Look at straight ahead, that big waterfall. We got to go right back there, I think. Let's go check it out. Come on. They even have like turnstiles. Maybe for security. They got everything in here, guys. Right away. We have a little ATV. And of course, the Bass Pro Shop logo shirts right here, only $15. All kinds of colors. Very cool. My gosh, this place is huge. I think they have, don't they have like different foods and things? I don't know. We're gonna have to go exploring. All over here, guys, all different boats. I mean, you think of the outdoors, they got everything in here. Roberta, what's your first impressions of the Bass Pro Shop? Yeah, it's nice. I mean, just looking around, I love looking up. They got a bunch of different sharks up there. Here's what it looks like this way. Look at that cool light with the killer whale on it. I like how the natural lighting comes in here, so you do feel kind of outdoorsy. I really want to go up there though. I want to go check out that waterfall because I think there's some fish in there. Let's go over there and check that out. So we're realizing that Bass Pro Shops isn't just about bass fishing, that's for sure. Look at, they got these are like knee boards and stuff, wakeboards. You get towed behind. Look at that one, a double. All kinds of like life preservers, everything for boating in here. They got the Yeti. I'm already seeing huge bass in that tank. Let's walk over there together. So there's all kinds of stuff in here, man. This is unbelievable. I'm loving this. This is so cool, guys. Thank you so much for actually joining us today. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Don't forget, we got a cruise coming up. We do tons of Disney, Universal, SeaWorld, all around Central Florida. Different foods. We do everything on Medling World, all about travel. Come on over and check out these. Oh my gosh, look at this. Are you kidding me? Okay, so here's my hand. Look at, oh my gosh. So I don't know, let's see. I was gonna say they look like bass. So here's a different fish that you can find in there. Look at the size of these bad boys. Even look at that bluegill. We used to call, when I lived up north, we called them pumpkin seeds. Wow. That is cool. That is nice. Roberta, what's your impression of these fish?
They're big.
Definitely big, guys. And this is really what's so cool about it, is just the way it's themed. You can see up there all the different animals. So cool. Let's go explore a little more, but we got this thing. Oh, I see this too. What is this? Largemouth bass tagging studies on display. Oh, so you can tag. Okay. You guys can take a read there. So that's pretty cool. Tag and release. Awesome. Guys, they have moon pies. They got all kinds of like fry batters. They got canned peach halves. They got some different pickles. Oh, and they got grills. I'm just going exploring around. Let's see what else we can find in here. Oh, more food. Lots of food too. I want to see what's over here. I was seeing if there's oh, they got it kind of closed off. So I don't know, maybe there's a way. Maybe that's where they do demonstrations and stuff. So I wanted to see what's on the other side of the tank. So this is what's on the other side. Again, the theming in here is unbelievable. I just think it's a cool place to come and hang out. You need a fishing pole maybe? I'm just gonna stand right here, and as far down that way all I can see are fishing poles. Look at this. So they have the ocean, they have freshwater, everything you need. Really, really cool. And it looks like a bunch of different reels here, and I'm sure that they'd string them up. If you bought a reel here, they'd probably string it up for you. Of course, you'd have to pay for it. It's really cool. All kinds of stuff. It's all different prices too. And I just like walking around because all these different fish kind of hanging out. And it tells you what they are. There's a Pacific sailfish. So, I mean, you can see how many fishing poles. And I started kind of in the middle of them. Oh, look at this big shark. All the hooks, tackle, everything you need. Roberta got lost somewhere. Let's see if we can find her. You can kind of see over there, it says Outdoor Traveler. They even have, I had to walk away because they're trying to get me to go on a vacation. They have different, it's almost like a travel agency, man, if you want to go like fishing somewhere or outdoor stuff. And, you know, the gentleman there, very nice guy. Didn't pressure me, just said, oh no, I'm good. And then we were talking about the YouTube channel. So very nice guy. I think his name was Pablo. So shout out to Pablo. Very professional man. Thank you very much. Maybe I'll hit you up on an offer next time I'm coming. But oh, there's Roberta. I found her. I thought you would never find me in the middle of about 1 million fishing poles. Yeah. This is a very strange vlog for us. Yeah. But it's just a hangout vlog, right? A little bit like Jake's at school. I got to go to work in a couple hours. You worked Mickey's Not So Scary last night. And we needed a vlog today, so I said, Roberta, we need to vlog Bass Pro Shops. Yeah. Oh, look at over here, all the different animals. Let's go over here and have a look. Oh, wait a minute, though. Look, they even have these things, Roberta, all for the gardens and everything. Yeah. And the wind chimes. I love these. Let's see. I like these ones. No, yeah, these ones are like... Oh, yeah, this is cool. They're going to throw me out of here. I like these little generators, power stations. And oh, this is cool. We ordered one. Oh wow, that one is, oh my god, that's a good deal.
Yeah, it is.
For this? Oh, this is perfect for the beach for us. Yeah. We just ordered one similar to this, but I like this one a lot better. Here's like a mini one. Look at this little mini one for 50, but I'd go for this little bigger one. You can see you can fit a couple chairs under there. Down here at the beach, you know, when we lived up north, we could kind of get away with the umbrellas, but down here you spend like, yeah, that sun and everything down here is so much different that we definitely purchased one of these for our beach times. Roberta's loving. Oh, I like this. Oh, we need one of these too. I need everything in here. My gosh, they got it all. Just kind of want to show you some of the different animals up there. So this is, I think, only the second time I've ever been in a Bass Pro Shop. I think I stopped in one in Pennsylvania maybe, but in Connecticut we did have it was called Cabela's, which is pretty similar to this actually. It reminds me a lot like this, but I think the theming in here is a little bit over the top, a little bit more. Tons of grills. Just goes on and on. Now I am curious because, oh well, you know what? They must be owned by the same people, because Cabela's and Bass Pro Shop, because this says Cabela's on it. So I'm thinking it's very similar, right, Roberta?
Yeah.
But Roberta, remember at the other Cabela's they had like food.
Yes.
So we're gonna see if there's any food in here. Like, no, like food you could eat. Like, like us, you could order the food. It was like game food too. Let's see what we can find. I do remember Cabela's had similar to this, but they actually had a couple other games too. But this is like the shooting arcade, so it says quarters only. And then you would use this rifle here and different little targets, and then little bells will go off and things. So, yeah. So a little bit of interactum. Oh, that one's out of order. But yeah, these other ones are working. Several missing. So this is kind of old school. They have this at Disney, right? At the Magic Kingdom, something similar to this, where you shoot it and then it's in Frontierland. So kind of the same type of situations I found. Sunglasses. Oh, the Ray-Bans. My favorite Ray-Bans. So they got all kind, Maui Jim, Ray-Bans. I saw Oakley's over there. So lots of different sunglasses even in here. I'm kind of stuck in here. I gotta try to get out. And then footwear, all different footwear. Huh. So that's kind of like, took a good walk around. So maybe we'll go, I mean, it's time, you guys can see all the different things in here. You could spend a good hour or two in here just walking around, hanging out. But let's go ahead and head outside a little bit and look around outside. We're back out front here, and they got some of the paddle boards, little kayaks, things like that. But I do see some with food over there. Let's go check that out. So I do see these like picnic tables out here, and over there it says like nachos, corn dogs, burgers, but I don't think it's open. Let's investigate. So it does look like they would have different foods here, but nothing like, just looks like regular like hot dogs and sausages. Nothing like kind of unique. So yeah, it looks like they would have it at some point. They're just coming around the corner. We were right over there in the front, but I want to go show you some of these boats. Well, first of all, they have these as well, these little off-road tracker vehicles. But look at this, it's like a hybrid pontoon boat, huh? You got to see the size of the motor on this thing. That is really nice looking, man. Look at that. I don't know much about motors or boat engines or anything, but that is a big boy. And you can see that is gorgeous. So a bunch of different, these pontoon boats over here. Some of these fishing boats as well. So, and then there's a bunch of boats over in the parking lot. But I figured I'd just walk here just so you guys can really see the full effect here of Bass Pro Shops. They have all kinds of stuff, man. Very, very cool. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. A little bit different of a vlog. We usually don't vlog things like Bass Pro Shops, but we're trying to really do a lot of different things and show you guys kind of, you know, we just had some spare time and figured, why not come out to Bass Pro Shops? By the way, this is close to Universal Studios Resort. It's about 5 minutes down the road from here. So if you're in that area and you just want to come over and check it out, hang out, or pick up some of the different merchandise you saw, very close by. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least, see ya!